Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, as you see in the description, we're going to do an unboxing of the KMP steering wheel right now. I got this one from Slicer M. You can find him on Instagram, Slicer_M. He sells a lot of different things for BMWs. Really nice quality parts, and yeah, so that's where we got this F80 DCT steering wheel from. So let's go ahead and cut this bitch open. Alright, finally. Well packaged, just like the Turner wheel, or the Turner diff bracket. Oh, yes. Comes with some, looks like resistors. Oh, man. Feels great. And that's it. So, set this aside. But yeah, let's take a look at this wheel. Alright, please excuse my dirty table, but here we are. Check this wheel out. It's wrapped in a suede material. Very nice, very nice. Let me put this back on. It is a quick disconnect, I think. Yep, looks like it. It's a quick disconnect back here. It's your hub right there. Let me see how to go ahead and do this. Oh yeah, that's nice. So that gold piece back there, you basically depress that, and it should detach from the hub. I don't know, maybe it needs something. Maybe something else is going on back there. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, here are these paddles. Very solid. Unlike the OEM ones that are very flimsy and plastic-like, this is a solid feel. Requires some actual force. You have your M2, M1. You got your horn, DTC button. I think that's like to turn off the traction control. I'm not really too sure. Yellow strip down the center right here. Overall, this is very nice. You can change out the centerpiece right here to, you know, whatever you want. They have Porsche, BMW, all kinds of shit you can put there. Yeah, pretty nice wheel. All right, so this has some wiring in it, and to be honest with you, I'm terrible at wiring, and I do not feel like burning down the F80. So I'm actually going to see about getting a shop to go ahead and do this. This is one of the few things that I don't touch. Electronics in general is just very sketchy for me. After my E36, I almost burnt that thing to the ground. So yeah, don't even want to attempt it. So let's go ahead and fast forward to the day we have this installed and show you guys what it looks like from the inside. Alright guys, so I just wanted to do a quick product review. This is the KMP steering wheel for an F80. They make them for pretty much all BMW chassis, and they also make them for the Porsches, the GT3s, and the Caymans. So, yeah, had one track day with it so far, and I absolutely loved it. And I'm just going to go over the reasons why. I love this wheel more than my Alcantara M Performance wheel. So reason number one is the size of it. So let me go grab the M Performance wheel and put it side by side so you can see how much smaller this one is. Okay, so here we have the the KMP Solutions steering wheel, and then now we have the OEM standard wheel. And look at the difference. Just fucking massive. And I'm telling you guys, on track, it makes this wheel, which I absolutely love, to be honest with you, it makes it feel like a school bus wheel, you know, big ass, just a big ass wheel, you know. Like I said, I love the M Performance wheel, the Alcantara one, but this Slicer Spec KMP Solutions wheel is fucking amazing. I keep the steering wheel condom on it when I'm driving home and driving to the track. If I ever need to drive this thing around track, that condom basically stays on the entire time. But yeah, on track with the gloves. I use Adidas RSR gloves. They absolutely are insanely grippy to those gloves. There's no lack of grip with the with the wheel, with the contact of your palms or your fingers. You're not having a death grip anything at all. So very nice feel. Yeah, just you can't really beat having that small wheel and not having to death grip it. But another thing I wanted to touch over was these buttons. So these buttons are fully functional, right? Your M1 button gets removed right here, or it gets moved over here. Your M2 button right here. You have a horn, and then your traction control button over here, which I'm probably going to end up removing. So I'm going to try and see if somebody can wire that to be a push to flash. So rather than trying to reach for the flash, to flash the brights, it'll just be a button right here where I just bam, bam, hit somebody with the brights, and then they'll realize that I'm on their ass. So I think it'll be a good little idea to have, not only on track but also on street, to get these fuckers out of the goddamn fast lane that want to drive like 60 on the freeway heading home. So that'll be cool. Cool little function to add to the wheel, but we'll see. I'm not sure if it'll work or how that works. Another thing, these paddles. So it's like the paddles are spaced out far enough to where it gives you like this grip, like my hand is showing you. And it's just solid. These paddles are magnetic, so they reset really fast. And they make a very satisfying clicking noise. They're carbon fiber. And it's just so much better than OEM. OEM is like, that's all you get, right? So, and then this is like child's play, honestly. These are so, like, this is so cheap, and like the materials here are just not the same, you know? So this really exposes how cheap these M Performance wheels are, or the standard wheel is in general. So yeah, just overall better quality with this wheel. And then the last thing, I gotta figure out how to take it off, but it's got a quick release. I need two hands to go ahead and pull that bitch off, but it's quick released on there. Make sure it's clicked into place. Yeah, so you can take the wheel off if you need to, or you keep it on the entire time. With this car, I don't need to take it off at all, so it'll just stay there and just chill out. So yeah, that's just my quick review on the KMP Solution steering wheel. This one I bought from Slicer. If you guys don't know who he is, he just pretty much is the go-to for all your rare, hard to get BMW parts, BBS parts, you know, KMP steering wheels, basically shit that we normally nobody carries here in stock in the US. He has it all the time. So great little store he runs over there. And he's pretty well known in the BMW community. Mostly the E9X guys know him for the E88s and the Slicer fitment that he's got going on. But he also sells a shitload of other products that are really high quality. So if you guys have any questions about him, go check out his Instagram. I think it's Slicer_M. And yeah, you'll see what I'm talking about with all the nice shit that he's got over there that him and his boys sell. Yeah, very good experience, very good transaction dealing with those guys. Very fast to get to the house, and overall very pleasurable dealing with him. So, yeah, that'll do it for this video. I don't want to keep rambling on, but if you guys have any questions, please drop it in the comment section below, and I will get back to it as soon as possible. Other than that, take it easy.